What makes this veggie burger so good is it's not trying to be meat, you know, it's its own thing, and it's a really good thing. So we're just gonna let it be its own thing. It's full of flavor. It's got fennel, cumin, super smoky, well-rounded with spices, and texturally it holds up. You know, it's not mushy. It's got a nice crust on the outside. It's just a well-rounded burger. We're building a really unique flavor profile here, and we start with walnuts and spices in a pan. This toasts them evenly, opens up their flavors, and then we add in smokiness with a little bit of liquid smoke. We've got garlic, sun-dried tomatoes for a little bit of bite and a little extra umami, and chia seeds and oats. They just act as a really good binder to keep everything together, but prevent it from being mushy in any way. The walnuts add a little bit of bite and nuttiness to the flavor of the burger, but they also are very good texturally. And you may be thinking, why do I need to chop these walnuts before they go in the food processor? Because they're going to be chopped anyways. But it's because when you toast them in the pan, you want as much of the surface of the nut to be toasted as possible. Baking the black beans in the oven is a very important step, and it actually sets this recipe aside from other recipes. It really helps give us the texture we're looking for. There's no mush. It dries them out ever so slightly, but not too much, just enough so that the burgers stay together and they have a really nice solid texture. I'm a vegetarian, and this recipe is very near and dear to my heart. One, because I wrote it, and two, because I look at it as an opportunity to show people that you can have a really good veggie burger and you're not going to be missing the meat if you have enough flavor, and you can build that flavor with pantry staples. I know there's a lot of veggie burgers on the market right now that you could just go and buy, but you can make something at home that's cheaper, better for you, and honestly tastes way better. With the smokiness, the texture, the flavor, the way it holds together, this might just change your mind about ditching meat more often. You know, it shows you that it's really easy to build tons of flavor, and that your burger night may now be a veggie burger night.